I've never taken nude picture with anybody. I don't know how my nude picture is out. What is going on? You as a lady, your nude picture is flying all over the internet. Your boyfriend is using your nude picture to blackmail you, or is already threatening to blackmail you with your nude pictures. Sometimes you ask, how did he get it? Why some would say, I don't have a boyfriend. How come he was able to get my nude picture? Yes, I'm going to tell you the reasons how come. Now, some of you go to visit your boyfriend and immediately you guys are done with sex, and the next thing you think to do is to just slip off like that. It is very, very, very wrong. Yes, read my lips. It is very wrong. Do not sleep naked immediately after sex. Don't sleep naked like that and just slip off. It could be dangerous for you. That guy you called your boyfriend that you trust so much might take your nude picture. Why? For reason's sake. He might want to use it against you maybe when you try to leave the relationship. Or if he notices you have money, or your parents, you come from a good background or a rich background, he might want to use this opportunity to blackmail you and get money from you, just to threaten to blackmail you and start getting money from you, or use someone else to give someone a picture and the person uses it and connect with somebody just to do business plans like that. It is very risky. Yes, do not go out of your home and sleep naked, regardless of who the person may be. Some of you may be like, okay, I don't even have a boyfriend, but someone is threatening me of my nude pictures. Yes, it is still very much possible, because to those of you that have houses that are not fenced, yes, like those houses that are not fenced, and you know the way it is for us here, especially in Nigeria, where houses like people have road, like they pass beside your house as road. They use it as road to link to another channel of the road. So you know this kind of a setting, and your compound is not fenced, and you know people pass the back of your window to channel to another road, and you are sleeping at night and you are naked. That is not even the case. You are free to be naked at night. But since you know your house is a place whereby it is not fenced, it is easy for anyone to patronize the walk around the compound or pass the compound at any time, or pass back of the window at any time. At night, most of you will even still put on the lights. Let's assume there's electricity and you guys will still put on the lights and you're naked and you're sleeping. It is very, very wrong. Even an unknown person, someone who's not even your boyfriend or anything, passing through the window, lights attracts people at night. Once it's coming out from a window, people just like, okay, they just want to look what is inside, look inside the room or the house. You know, at this point, somebody just passing the window and you just look and see you naked. At that point, he or she might want to take your picture. Especially the fact that maybe the guy has been asking you out on the road, on the street before, based on the fact that you don't want to answer him. Now he has gotten 100% chance to hurt you. At that moment, what he's gonna do is gonna take a record, or snap, have a picture of you at that moment. So it is very risky. If you have to do that, please make sure your light is off and your curtain is down. Are you guys following me? Please, if you are to do that, make sure your curtain is down and your light is off. Then you are free to do whatsoever you want to do. Why some of you the picture was gotten from your video call with your guy? Most times your guy will be like, okay, let's go nude. I want to have a video call with you, video chat with you. And ignorantly you're going to do it, and since you don't know the guy is screen recording the video or the video call or the chat, at that same point you put yourself into trouble. And at the same time, never you send your notes to a boyfriend, to a guy, or whatsoever, for whatsoever reason. If a guy asks you to do that, my dear, quit. If your relationship depends on that, if he tells you you have to lose your relationship or you have to send it as a proof of love, my dear, you have to quit that relationship. It is not where you belong. So these are other means of getting it. Guys, be very careful and be wise. Yes, so today what I'm trying to let you know about today's topic is, don't sleep naked without you being sure of your environment. Make sure you are very much 100% secure before you do that, if you don't want anybody to blackmail you. Okay, some people will be asking me now that, okay, it has happened to me, but the guy is threatening me. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. What am I going to do? I don't want anybody to see my naked picture out there. My dear, I think the thing you should do right now before it becomes too late, because if the guy publish it, even if the guy is being arrested, your nude picture has gone viral already. So now that it's still a threat, before the guy publish it, unknowingly for the guy, codedly go to the police station with enough evidence, file a report against him, and the police will take control of the case, and the guy will be apprehended. And that kills it immediately, and he'll be punished. It is called blackmail, and it's a crime. There's punishment for it. I don't know if you guys are getting me. So if you know you've learned something from this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll bring you more of relationship matters and how to live a good life. subscribe, and click on the notification button. So once I drop the next video, you will see and you will learn more. Thanks for joining me. My name is Elite, and I am your relationship coach. Sign out.